This is the lesson 6 of the AAS and HL congruence. Chapter 6, Parallel Lines, Set 1. Hi guys, so you just heard that. And the HL and the AAS theorem, they're so cool. Let me read you the AAS theorem first. If two angles and the side opposite one of them in one triangle are equal to the corresponding parts of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. And let me show you these pictures of all these cool triangles. I mean, you can already see them. These are like shapes of gold leaves, and then down here you can see that those are the triangles to also represent the AAS theorem. I think the name is pretty cool. I would say like ASA or like something easier because it's kind of hard for me to pronounce. But now let me read to you the HL theorem. If the hypotenuse and a leg of one right triangle are equal to corresponding parts of another right triangle, the triangles are congruent. Let me show you these photos and then we'll go to set 1. So see those are congruent right there. Set 1 is hang glider, or the little set hang glider. A popular type of hang glider is the Rogallo. And then I'll show you the picture in 1 minute. Well, you guys already see it, but the design of its sail consists of two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. They share a common side, so AC equals AC, and then on top of, like next to the second AC, there's like a little star. I'll show you. So see, that's the photo, and then down here is the photo when it's like not actually on a hang glider. I'm going to read you a few of the questions. So I'll read you the first question, and I'll go to 5 after. Angle 1 equals angle 2, and angle 3 equals angle 4. Remember, angle 1 is on the top next to 2, 3 is on the bottom next to 4. And my answer for that is the ASA theorem, not the AAS. It's the ASA theorem. We had it a little while back, and it's like not life-changing, but we did have to use it a lot, so it did help figuring it out, if you guys know what I mean. So we had the ASA and SAS congruence here. I'll read you the ASA postulate. If two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. We also use the SAS postulate, but I'm going to go to 5 now. They ask, angle B equals angle D equals 90 degrees and BC equals CD. My answer was HL, as in the HL theorem. Our next one is congruent or not. The SSS names a way to prove triangles congruent. Does AAA name another way? They show us these photos, and I'm going to ask one. I'm going to show you all of the triangles first, then I'm going to read you one question from each. So let's first look at the first triangle. It's right here. We have a C, E, and D, and then ABC. Our next one is A, B, D, C. Our bottom one is the B, A, C, E, D. I'm going to give you the names for one another just so you guys know. Number 1 is going to be the is going to be called parallel lines, because that's the first question's first 2 words. Number 2 is going to be 3. Then number 3 is going to be 3. I'm just going to do 1, 2, and 3. it's actually easier. But what we got here for our first one, it says the number 1, 6. Why is angle 1 equal angle A and angle 2 equals angle B? My answer was parallel lines form equal corresponding angles. And for number 2, they ask how many pairs of parts in triangle ABC and triangle ABD are equal. My answer was 3. And for number 3, they ask for question 11, how many pairs of parts in triangle ABC and triangle DEC are equal? My answer was 3. Okay. So our next little theorem, we have 2 more left after we already done 2. It's called the Korean theorem, and it comes with a picture, which I will be showing you after I read the little statement. A theorem from a Korean geometry book is shown above, and half of the stuff on the bottom, unless you're Korean, you guys gotta tell me this because I don't know what it says. You can see it in the photo, which I'll show you guys. Not photo, but like in the beginning. That's Korean, so I can't really read it. There's Korean words on how to take like the notes. And then those are the triangles. And then they have like one that's just ABC. And then a different ABC with like little lines at the top of them. Like their foot or something. Okay, so I'm going to read you 2 of the questions in the Korean theorem, little said. So I'm going to read you 14 and 17. Because there's problems 14 to 17. What do you think angle C equals angle C? And then this angle C has like the little mark at the top equals angle R means. Well, I said for number 14, I said that angle C and angle C with the line at the top are right angles. They have it here in the theorem. You guys will be able to see it. And it's like their little short way of like abbreviations. And then for number 17, they ask, what do you think the 3 words identifying this theorem are? And I said, because it's right here, RHS, and I said right, hypotenuse, and side. As in like, I think right angle. Okay, our next one is called the triangle problem, and is our last little set. In triangle, this is like a little, this is the statement. The triangle problem. And triangle ABC, AD, parallel line mark like that. BC, BE, AC, and AD equals BE. They do show you a picture there, but I'm going to show you mine because it has some constructions in there. This is the one that I drew, and these are all the photos. I'll read you question 19, 21. Because, okay. Why is triangle Bay, which is BAE, and like the squiggly line, then equal sign. It's like the approximately. Triangle ABD, my answer was HL, as in the HL, the hypotenuse like theorem, as in the HL theorem. What kind of triangle is triangle ABC? This is ABC, and there's 2 sides that are equal and one that is not, so I put isosceles. Because remember, isosceles is at least has 2 angles equal. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I can't believe that's it, but that was like a really, really fun set. I can't wait to see what happens in our next set, which will be set 2, chapter 6, parallel lines, lesson 6. the AAS, and the HL congruence. Guys, I'm so sorry this has ended, but bye guys. I hope you guys love it. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below to tell us what we could fix. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this made sense. Remember to keep looking up and to keep wearing your bling. Bye. Period.